So hi again, welcome to StatSuite channel. In this case, we are going to show how to use the probability distribution fitting menu. Okay, so in order to show how to use it, we are going to generate some random numbers. So we click on probability, random numbers, and we are going to generate random numbers from log normal distribution because it's a good example because we are going to generate a very skewed log normal distribution. So we select log normal distribution. We have 2 and 3 parameters. So let's select, in this case, 2 parameters. And we are going to generate, for instance, 400 values from log normal with mean 300 and sigma variability standard deviation equals to 180. Okay, and destination, well, we can select whatever sample. So, for instance, let's generate the data in sample A. So we click on generate, and we have the 400 values here. Well, in the reality, we don't know what is the distribution of the data. In this case, we know that they come from a log normal distribution, but we don't know it in the reality. So let's try a fit to the normal distribution. So we have here, if we click on the menu, normal, we have here the different distributions we can try. So let's click normal distribution. Next menu, drop-down menu is, we have 2 different kind of charts, histograms and quantile plot. So let's start with the histograms. And the next menu is from, you have to select, if you want the StatSuite to find the best parameters, in this case we are fitting a normal distribution. So what is the best normal, what is the mean and sigma of the best normal that fits the data, or you want to try some parameters, some mean and some sigma. Okay, so let's start with estimating parameters. So now if you click on fitting, the first information here is the best normal has a mean, well, it has a mean close to 300 because this is the mean of the data, and a sigma close to 180 because this is the sigma of the original log normal. But if we consider the drawing, the plot, we see that these data are very skewed, and the normal is a symmetric distribution and cannot fit this data. Okay, this is the best normal, but the normal cannot fit this data. You can try in different number of bars to try to obtain a good adjustment, but it's not possible. You can try using, instead of bars, polygon. Again, you can play with the number of points, but it's not possible to obtain a good adjustment. Or you can try a cumulative probability chart, and again, it's not possible to obtain a good adjustment. So we know this is not a normal distribution. And there is another chart, the quantile plot. Well, in this plot, the vertical axis is the cumulative frequency of the data, and the horizontal axis is the cumulative probability of the model we are trying. In this case, the normal distribution. And we see that if we have a good fitting, a good adjustment, the points should be on the line. And we see that this is not what is happening. Okay, so this is not a normal distribution. So let's try now with the log normal 2 parameters. Let's click on fitting, and we see that this is a good adjustment. Here you have the parameters of the log normal. If you want to have this information, you can copy to the clipboard. So on the top of the screen, you click on Help Options, and then you can copy results to clipboard. Now you can paste these results on another software, another application. On the same in the same way, you can export the chart. So if you click on Help options, you have the options. You can copy the chart to the clipboard, or you can save it in a file. And now the chart has been saved. The name is fitting chart, and you can export it, for instance, sending that email. So let's try that. Let's go to Data menu, and now we click on Import Export, and we choose Import Export Data Files or Charts. And then we select the Mail tab on the top, Mail tab, SIG file, and we select Fitting Chart. And now we click on Send Email. Okay, so this is the chart. When we export in charts in the StatSuite, the charts has larger resolution, larger size. They are nicer, as you can see. Okay, so let's cancel this. And let's return to StatSuite and do the probability distribution fitting. And let's have a look at the histograms. We are checking if this is a log normal. Let's start with this histogram, and we can see that the fitting is very good. If we try polygons, okay, this is a very good fitting. Okay, and the cumulative probability fits much better than before. Okay, so this is the video for distribution fitting. Thanks for watching.